Hello, and welcome to Sock Puppet Morality Theatre, a show where we learn about ethics, morals, virtues, ethics. I'm your host, and today we're going to be learning about the exciting world of medical ethics. But first, let's be introduced to our cast. Dr. Daisy Scholes.
Why, hello, everybody!
Hello, Dr. Daisy. Why, you look lovely today. But then again, you always look lovely. And also, we'll be meeting Cisco the Sock. My word! He's wearing a thong! How completely inappropriate!
Hey, you can't judge me.
But society has deemed certain moral standards that must be upheld within a public... You know what? That is a topic for another day. So, in this scene, Cisco is going to discover that his immoral actions not only harm him, but also the people close to him.
Give it to me straight, Dr. Scholes. What do I got?
I'm sorry to tell you this, Mr. Cisco, but you have an FTD, a footsie-transmitted disease. Tell me, have you been playing footsie with someone other than your wife?
Well, sometimes I do tell her that I work late, when I really go to the sock hop and get some heel action. But it's all good, just a little bit of fun.
Mr. Cisco, you have a very serious FTD. You need to tell your wife, and we need to check her for FTDs as well.
No way, Doc. She would go crazy and kill me and herself. I won't do it.
Then I will tell her.
But what about our confidentiality, Doc? You can't tell people what I got.
Indeed, this is a moral dilemma. On one hand, Cisco's wife could be in danger of a serious FTD and possibly never pronate again. Yet, on the other hand, Daisy, Dr. Scholes, must respect Cisco's right to privacy and confidentiality. And furthermore, what if by chance she lost her reputation for keeping the confidentiality of her patients? She could possibly lose the trust of those whom she treats.
Ooh! What should I do? I'm so conflicted!
Well, it is a true ethical question, Dr. Daisy. You see, there is no right or wrong answer. Both sides of the argument are legitimate.
But I have a question you might actually be able to answer for me. Do you think a sock like me and a human like you could ever be right for each other?
Why, Daisy, I never knew that you cared. Wait! Do you wear sandals when you go to public showers? Do you have any athlete's foot? Never mind.
Hey, what are you guys doing with my socks?
the ethics class.
Don't judge me!
Give me that.
Same time next week? Yeah.